spicy noodles? Sounds interesting. I want to try it.
Oh my god!
Whoa, so spicy, but so good.
Nice.
I'll take them all. Aha! Let's make something delicious with these. Noodles. Water. Buldak sauce.
Hey, Duck, can you deliver some chicken for me?
Okay, Daisy.
Yeah, boy.
Over and delivery.
Huh? Already delivered?
Nice. Told you, super fast.
Chicken. Salt. Pepper. Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Egg. It looks so delicious. So yummy. Today I want to buy some beef.
Nice.
Let's go home and cook.
What?
Oh my good. A cockroach, that's terrifying. I have to call and complain to them.
Hello.
There's a cockroach in your stuff.
We're so sorry. We'll send you a new order right away.
A few moments later.
Here's some passion fruit as an apology gift.
Okay, thank you. Cooking oil. Beef. Garlic. Rosemary. Butter. Sugar. Cornstarch. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Amazing!
Huh?
Oh, slot game machine. Wow. I want to play. Oh, I'm so lucky. Let's try my luck again. Nice. Oh, really? It's a lucky day. I will bring it for Daisy.
Yeah, boy.
Daisy, what's up? I brought you some ingredients.
Okay, thank you, my baby.
Hmm.
Aha! I have an idea! Squid! Beef! Vermicelli! Mushroom! Egg! Salt! Pepper! Chili powder! Aw, thank you so much. Ducky, keep an eye on this for me. I'm going to mix the tempura batter.
Okay, Daisy.
Flour. Corn flour. Egg. Water.
Perfectly cooked. Hey, Daisy, yours is done.
Thanks, Ducky. Amazing!
I love it.
Doner kebab here. Come and get it. Here you go.
Thank you. Wow, so yummy. Nice. Oh, yes! Oh, my God!
A few moments later.
Hey, I want... Oh, it's sold out. What? I've been waiting for so long. Okay, fine. I'll just go home and cook for myself.
Oh, my God!
Oh, just what I needed. Beef. Onion. Salt. Pepper. Chili powder. Mayonnaise. Oh, what's going on?
Somebody help me!
Huh?
You scared us. Don't be so dramatic. Give it back. I need to cook.
I'm sorry.
Mayonnaise. Chili sauce. Ketchup. Lettuce. Red cabbage. Tomato. Wow, it looks so beautiful.